Hey, I came across your website, and what I like the most here is, the contact number. You can see on the first page the contact number where people can reach you easily, and I like it the most. And it's so impressive too. But now let's take a look what's happened online as far as what people on the Google search or see. Let's take a look at the customer looking for your service would see on Google, and what we see, what we are looking at right now. Wait, I'll show you. What we are looking at right now is a ranking grid. This is a ranking grid, and you can see you are number one here on top in the middle area, which is your Google profile location. That around this are it drops off quickly. And one of the suggestions we are giving business on this right now is to put another profile and a website in another corner of the city that you want to grow into. Like for example, this area. Now let us take a quick look to see how you are ranking. As you can wait, let me find you, Mario. Oh, sorry, Mario. Oh, you're at the bottom. So this is where your positioning is. It's too far, right? Like you are above all these companies that also, giving service like you. So overall, in the entire area, you are at the 61st. All right, 63rd. Yes, on this area. So, what we are thinking, what we can suggest, like I said before, is another website and another business Google profile. We will be sending you an example of a website that we built as a test model that we could brand for you and help you put up another profile to get you more jobs. So, if you're interested, please let us know or send us an email increase. Thank you so much.